Can you boil frozen chicken directly?
Welcome to today's video. In this video, we're going to answer the question, can you boil frozen chicken directly? We'll break down the answer into a few sections to make it easier for you to understand.
Is it safe to boil frozen chicken directly?
Yes, you can boil frozen chicken directly, but it's important to follow safe cooking practices to prevent any health issues. Boiling frozen chicken will increase the overall cooking time, so you'll need to be patient and ensure the chicken reaches the appropriate internal temperature.
How long does it take to boil frozen chicken?
Boiling frozen chicken takes longer than boiling thawed chicken. The cooking time will depend on the size and thickness of the chicken pieces. Boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 30 to 40 minutes. Bone-in chicken pieces, 40 to 50 minutes. Remember, these times are approximate, and it's essential to use a meat thermometer to check the chicken's internal temperature.
What temperature should the chicken reach?
To ensure your chicken is safe to eat, you must make sure it reaches an internal temperature of at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. Use a meat thermometer to check the temperature and make sure it's consistent throughout the chicken.
Can you season the chicken while boiling?
Yes, you can season the chicken while boiling it. Adding your favorite herbs, spices, and aromatics to the boiling water can help enhance the flavor of the chicken. Consider adding ingredients like bay leaves, garlic, onion, or celery to the pot.
What are the benefits of boiling frozen chicken directly?
There are a few benefits to boiling frozen chicken directly. 1. Convenience. If you forgot to thaw your chicken, boiling it directly can save time and effort. 2. Safety. Boiling frozen chicken minimizes the risk of bacterial growth, which can occur when thawing chicken improperly. In conclusion, you can boil frozen chicken directly. Just remember to follow safe cooking practices. Use a meat thermometer to ensure the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, and be patient with the increased cooking time. Enjoy your safely cooked and flavorful chicken.